Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Taylor Swift here again, this time with a song called The Bolter, alright? So this is a 100% guitar song, fits guitar very well, simple chords, no capo, everything is just made for guitar, so let's start this one up. We have a couple of chords, very easy, so let's go over them. We have first the C, so we play third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. The next chord is G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. The F major 7, we go with the shorter version of it, so that will be third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. We also have the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And that's it, alright? So C, G, F major 7, and A minor. So we have a simple strumming pattern we need to learn. So if we go from the beginning and play the C, that's the first chord of the song, you have a pattern that goes over 4 downs. But we want to emphasize the third down, so we're gonna play on the bass strings for the first, the second, and the fourth down. But when you play the third down, you go down here and hit the higher notes. So bass, bass, top, bass. That is one string around like this. Okay, so 4 downs in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the strumming. So we have a main chord progression here that goes like for 80% of the song or so. It will be C, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds, and F major, 4 string rounds. And that's it. C2, G2, F4, like this. So that covers both the verses and the choruses. We have then the post-chorus part that goes G2, A minor 2, and F major 4. And that's it, like this. Another round. To the main part on C. So that is the post-chorus, G, A minor, and F major. Then at 2 minutes and 51 seconds into the song comes the bridge part. So it's very similar to the post-chorus part. The ending is just the difference there. So you're gonna play G2 and A minor 2, still the same, but instead of playing F4, you play the C4 instead. So G2, A minor 2, and C4. At this bridge part, you're gonna do that for 2 rounds. Let's do that. That's the bridge part, and there you have all the parts you have to work with to handle Taylor Swift's The Bolter. So 4 chords, that is what you can do with it. Hope you enjoyed this, and if it was good for you, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Appreciate that a lot. Till next time, play tuned.